If your skin looks like a desert, you're in luck. We've got the hydration hookup right here. First up, the honey and yogurt mask. This duo deeply hydrates and revitalizes your skin, making it perfect for dryness. Honey locks in moisture while yogurt smooths and refreshes. Just mix a tablespoon of each, apply, and leave for 20 minutes. Boom! Hydrated and glowing. Next, the oatmeal and milk mask. Feeling dull? Oatmeal soothes while milk cleanses and brightens. Mix them, let it sit, apply, and in 15 minutes you're fresh-faced and radiant. The green tea and honey mask is your go-to for tightening pores and reducing oiliness. Green tea's antioxidants protect, while honey hydrates. Brew, mix, apply, and rinse for tightened, refreshed skin. Avocado and olive oil mask is a savior for dry, damaged skin. Avocado repairs, olive oil nourishes. Mash, mix, apply, and your skin will thank you. Last, the coconut oil and sugar scrub mask. Exfoliate and glow by mixing, applying, and gently scrubbing. In 10 minutes, your skin feels soft and radiant. Try these masks and watch your skin transform. Subscribe for more natural skincare tips.